Let us work with the title of the song we just listened to a while ago. Say less. Say less, brother. Show them how it is done. Listen to if I want them, hey. What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally, all up on your screen with another episode of DSession. Welcome back to another episode of DSession, guys. Now, as you can see in the title, I'm about to do something I never really anticipated ever doing on this show. To be honest with you, I mean, not to make anybody feel bad or anything, but dancehall really for me is local. I'm now being introduced to this wave of dancehall throughout the Caribbean. However, I just have one thing that I want to address about one of my recent hot topics from the last episode of the session regarding Trinidad being the home of dancehall. In no way was I insinuating or tried to give the impression that dancehall only belongs to Jamaica and only Jamaicans can do dancehall. As a matter of fact, I think I mentioned it, that is not what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is that the specific article that I was reading from one of the, not one of, the biggest media outlet in the country was stating that the new wave of Trinidad dancehall and all of that, that's what I was commenting on. So, you know, yeah, I just wanted to make that clear. Now, I am about to just do a quick reaction to the song that was being talked about in that article. Okay, so this is Nyla Blackman and Meds Boss, Say Less. So I'm about to see what this is all about. This is my first time ever even hearing dancehall coming out of Trinidad, so I'm actually really excited to see what this is. I'm curious because this is all new to me, guys, honestly. So let's go see what this is all about. It's cute. I already know Nyla Blackman because the beats here nice. I mean, I can see that Men's Boss of the auto-tune, dancehall auto-tune vibe down, because as me tell you all the time, I just saw dancehall gone, just auto-tune. Oh, this nice. The fact that them include you know, the fact people dancing. Oh, that's nice. Oh, my God, the song already. I think me I watch Tyreek Vlog's video and he was reacting to this. So I think I definitely know the song you're from. It's nice though. Man, I never called me familiar with Nyla Blackman with soca. Why? But still I get a little bit of soca vibe even though I know it's a dancehall track. Her voice is so nice. I'm not telling no lie, I love her voice. Just so unique and effortless, she not try to sound sad or her talent set, isn't it? Nice. I forgot to see what other song Meds Boss because you know what that video I give me, guys? Mama tell me what that video I give me. That video I give me you know, coffee song toast. Yeah, and how like the video did look, and everybody just up in the streets and just a dance and a sing, and that's how the energy when this I give me, like the music video vibe. Must do one say that. What? Alright, Nyla. Hey, she's pretty though. Like, you can't deny Nyla Blackman cuteness. Watch ya. I mean, him have a vibe, Men's boss have a little vibe, like him have the dancer swag down pat, man, I like him have it. This is pretty cool. Alright then, so that was pretty cool. This is a good track. Like separate and apart from like the article and whatever, like just the song in itself and what they're trying to do, I love it. This vibe is amazing. Alright, Nyla Blackman, Meds Boss say less. Definitely get a high score for me. I love that. That was a really cool track. I'm like Nyla Blackman pan this. I'm telling I'm obsessed with her voice. She sounds so good. Love her. And Meds Boss, like, I like you. You can one. I like you. It impressed me a while ago on a track them and not lie. Alright guys, there's another song I did pull up. Where I want for also listen to, because I came across it while I was looking for this Say Less song, and I saw Prince Swanee Load Up featuring Ice Dan. Now I'm not telling you now, like I said, I've never listened to Trinidad Dancehall before. I've never even heard it playing anywhere. Like, well, come to think about it, maybe couple songs with me ear probably are from Trinidad. I'm gonna know because the vibe is so true to the essence of dancehall that I think I one of my local them. So who knows? But anyways, I've never like literally like intentionally listened to Trinidad dancehall music before. However, while I was looking for this song, like I told you, I saw the Prince Swanee song. I'm just talking about. I'm not gonna lie. What catch my eye was the fact that song here have 2 million views. Right? 2 million views, 2.2 million views. And I was like, hold up. That song come out in August. That's what, 3 months ago? You know how long sometimes it take a song for climb so fast? Worse dancehall. So I'm really interested to see what I want for that song here, who Prince Swanee is and what I want for Ice Dan in a Load Up. So let's react to this also, angels. Like, alright. We're having a little Trinidad session on this session here tonight before we jump into the rest of the hot topics. Like I said, I just really want to take the time out to listen, cause I did like come off very how can I say, sure about what I was saying in that last video. And after reading you guys' comments, I really thought to myself that, okay, let me listen to a couple of these songs and see if there really is a wave, you know, going on, because, you know, I'm new to this. So yeah, this is really cool. The song before impressed me, not gonna lie, that Bud, that deserve way more views on it, that need fair play out here. Like, why many video say let's know it? Them songs are actually good. They get what I say, as long as it is not being come off like, oh yeah, this is the true dancehall, because whatever. No, dancehall or dancehall no matter where it make. And we can't deny the fact that the origin is Jamaica. Jamaica is known for being the home of dancehall. So it's just the whole vibe that the article was giving me was like, I don't like this. But I am not against dancehall coming out of any territory. Like, R&B doesn't belong to any country. Hip-hop doesn't belong to America. You get me? You have artists out here locally who's doing hip-hop that I thoroughly endorse. Right? So it's just the whole vibe. But I'm really impressed with what I'm hearing so far. And that 2 million views song, yeah, I want to hear what I want to listen to. Alright. No, weird. Pause. What upon him make? No, brother. Brother, you have the neck of a lion. Wait, bro. Bro. A whole heap of chain. No, if that's a real goal, you know, heavy that be. I wonder if you understand where I come from. I don't look on him neck. No look on him on. I feel like him take the dancehall thing a little bit too serious. Like, man, you gone back in a catalog, him can dig up the jewelry them from when dancehall queen did at the place. Like, brother, away get so much. Yo! Lyrics. A popcorn. Yo, pull up at the party again. But him say, he never know when him say I'm like it, but pull it up. If I were them, hey. Yo! Alright. No, me and him right now. See me a while ago. I mean this right to some people. See me here. Come in. Wait there. Where him there? Oh, where me there? No, I never go back far enough. See me here. Yo! No, man, not like that punch and I give me a vibe. Nah, like. Alright, ice gun this. May I just work with the title of the song I just listened to a while ago. Say less. Say less, brother. Show them how it is done. Listen to me. I'm pull up at that part here. Because I think you don't understand. You get what I say? I think you don't understand when I talk about quality, when I talk about sequence, when I talk about clarity, when I talk about energy, when I talk about making sense with what you say. Pull it up. No, this have my hype right now. Forward them one. If forward them one. Hey. Yeah. No, sir, I'm off it up like one that video. I am mad, man. No, mama like Prince Swanee. I'm not telling a lie. This nice. Woo! That right this a while ago, that was nice. I'm not like angels. That one day nice. Well, we have come to the end of this video. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, comment Trinidad. Not telling a lie. Just go and have them two songs that we listened to a while ago. The quality coming out of Trinidad Dancehall is definitely one that we can definitely show some attention to and give some praise to for sure. You know, I've already addressed what my intentions were with the last time I talked about dancehall coming out of Trinidad, so I'm not going to really do it on it again. I just want to say big up all of them. Everybody we are the dancehall everywhere. The more we do the genre and the music from the genre is the bigger genre gonna get, and the more, you know, credible the genre will be. So much love to everybody who is not just a fan of dancehall because we love listening to it, but who's also a fan of dancehall because we do it with self. You get where I come from? Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought about the two songs that we reacted here today. If it's the first time you are hearing these songs, let me know what your impression of them are right now in the comment section down below. Thank you very much. And if you like this video, give my like button some love, show my like button some love, and also remember to share this video with your friends, your auntie them, your cousin them, everybody, just share to all contacts. Click all contacts, share out into the world. Yes, follow me on all social media, guys. Links are in the description down below. And until next time, angels, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world, bye, angels.